Our next piece, titled, "And What About the Noise of the Crumpling of Paper," was written in 1985 by John Cage. One of the 20th century's most influential composers, John Cage was unafraid to explore sounds as music and the relationship between audience and performer. In Piero Weiss and Richard Taruskin's Music in the Western World, his work is described as follows. Seemingly at the opposite pole from the total organization practiced by post-war 12-tone composers stands the work of John Cage. Deeply influenced by Asian religious philosophy and intrigued by notions of indeterminacy, which were assuming increasing prominence in contemporary science, Cage attempted to create a music totally independent of the creator's will. To do this, he resorted to chance operations which seemed to challenge the most basic and time-honored assumption of Western musicians. But What About the Sound of the Crumpling of Paper was written in celebration of the work of John Arp on the occasion of the centenary of his birth. Coincidentally, this year marks the centenary of John Cage's birth. The piece is written in a graphic score notation with a series of dots, circles, parentheses, and plus signs. There are 10 separate parts. 3 to 10 people may be used in performance, with each symbol representing a note or a rest, and the tempo decided by the performers. If you're interested in seeing the notation, feel free to ask any of us afterwards. It's interesting to look at. So, okay. Well, without any further ado, I think we're ready to begin.